Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be creating this pixel grunge effect inside After Effects. So let's get started with the tutorial, and this is the clip that I'll be using for this tutorial. So let's get started. So first select our clip and let's head to our effects and presets panel and search for mosaic, and then just drag and drop it, and let's change its value. I will keep my horizontal blocks to around 150. And also I want to keep it square, so I will play around with the vertical blocks. Alright, so let's zoom out. Now let's head back to our effects and preset panel again and search for the noise, and let's drag and drop it, and let's change its value to around 20. We can change it later if you want, but for now I will just keep it around 20, and then I will search for posterize under the stylize section and drag and drop it, and let's change its value to around 3. You can play with the levels. I will just change it to, let's see, 5. No, I think the 4 will look good. Okay, so let's go with the 4. And then I will drag and drop posterize time to give it a stutter effect. Let me show you the preview. So this is the preview with posterize time on, and this is the preview without the posterize time. As you can see, it's very smooth. Now I will drag our fifth effect, that is CC threshold, and let's change its value to around 25 to 30. The values will depend on the clips, so you don't have to follow this value. And also it's very flexible, so you can change anytime you want. Okay, so now I will duplicate my clip and let's solo it out. And then in the effects and presets panel, I will search for optics compensation, and then I will click on the reverse lens distortion, and then I will change the value of the field of view. Okay, so let's keep it around 100. Now let's select our ellipse tool and create a mask, a circle mask, and change its blending mode from add to subtract. And let's open up the mask properties, and then I will change my mask expansion to around -300. And also I will change my mask feather settings. Let's collapse the layer. Let's uncheck the solo button. Now I will duplicate it twice. Now under the effects and presets panel, search for shift channels. Let's drag and drop it. And in the first layer, I will keep the red and turn off the green and the blue channel. Just copy the effect and paste it on our above layer. And in this, I will turn off my red channel and turn on my green channel. And then again, I repeat this process and paste it, and then only the blue channel will remain on. Also, I will change my lens distortion value so that I can get the RGB look which I'm trying to achieve here right now. And once you are done with switching the optics compensation values, you can select all the 3 clips and change its blending mode to screen. Now you can see that we have already got our RGB distortion look around the edges of our footage. Also, if you want, you can add a Gaussian blur, and I will change its value to around 10 to smooth out the edges. So I will just copy it and paste it on both the layer. Now let's go to our project panel, and I have a noise overlay. Now I will just drag and drop it into the comp and change its blending mode to add, and now our RGB pixel grunge effect is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks so much, and have a nice day.